Hey guys, Taz here again, and we're at this magnificent house renovation and new job here in Milton. Now, you're going to see the video shortly and some photos, but it's not going to do it justice. I just want to break this down for you. The guys worked on this project significantly over the last 3 months to make sure it transformed to its former glory. Now, in this project, we chose to use Dulux. Dulux Weather Shield exterior has been mainly used. Now, the main difference here is most painters like to use low sheen exterior. On this beauty, we use gloss. Weather Shield gloss acrylic. You'll see how shiny it looks. It looks traditional, it looks fantastic, and it will last the test of time. The guys did a brilliant job working on this property here in Milton. You're gonna see the sharp lines on the staircase, the handrails, the balustrades, the way the step tread meets the stringer, right up to where the hood and the window sills and the windows and the walls meet. These great contrasting colors, very heritage colors, and that's just the outside. As we step inside, you're gonna see some more heritage colors, and the guys have done a fantastic job. The clients on this project are overwhelmed of how great this project has come up. Now, if you're looking to repaint an old Queenslander, a heritage property, or you just want to find out what to do, how to do it, why you want to get something done, and when you want to get it done, check out our socials. All the information's on there. At QPaint, you'll see this beauty, you'll see other beauties, and we look forward to being able to help you. Check it out. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as usual, stay cool, be well, and see you in interwebs. Bye.